In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable split screen in DaVinci Resolve. If you're currently in split view mode in DaVinci Resolve and you want to get back to the normal single view layout, don't worry, this is a very quick fix. Sometimes split screen can be turned on by accident, or you may have enabled it while comparing clips or checking changes and then forgotten how to switch it back off. The good news is that you can disable it in just a moment once you know where to look. Start by looking toward the top right area of the DaVinci Resolve interface. This is where several viewing and display options are located, so if something about the preview window looks different than usual, this is often the best place to check first. In split screen mode, your viewer may show multiple sections or comparisons at the same time, which can make editing feel a little confusing if you only want to focus on one image. In that top right section, you'll see a rectangle-shaped icon. That's the control you need. Go ahead and click that rectangle icon once. As soon as you do, split screen will be turned off, and your viewer should return to the standard single-screen display. That's all there is to it. It's a very simple setting, but if you're new to DaVinci Resolve, it can be easy to miss because the icon is small and blends in with the rest of the interface. If your screen ever looks divided again, just remember to check that same top right corner and click the rectangle icon to return to the normal view. A helpful tip is to pay attention to the viewer controls whenever your layout changes unexpectedly. DaVinci Resolve includes several tools for comparing shots and monitoring edits, and while those tools are useful, they can sometimes make the interface look unfamiliar if you're not expecting them. Knowing where this icon is will save you time and help you get back to editing without distraction. So if you need to disable split screen in DaVinci Resolve, simply go to the top right, find the rectangle icon, click it, and you're done. Once you've done it once or twice, it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.